Now we're going to walk through these techniques in more detail. And let's say we have three persons and we have John. And John has a pain in his current reality and wants his desired reality to be pain-free, and he wants to be free from limitations. Then we have Kai, who wants money and success. And then we have Tia, who wants to be intuitive and access psychic abilities. So we're going to use those three examples and walk through each technique. So let's try John and the Raven method. All right. So remember, in the Raven method, you're lying comfortably in starfish position, and you're counting backward from 100 while visualizing yourself in your desired reality. And you're going to use affirmations and focus on each detail of your desired reality to help immerse yourself fully. So here's John, and this is what he would do. John would lie in starfish position, relaxing and letting his body release any tension. He starts counting backward from 100. As he counts, he imagines each number releasing some of the pain he feels in his current reality. 99, release pain. 98, it's going. 96, it's going. It's 97, 5, 93, 90, it's going away. It's fading. At around the 50 mark, he begins visualizing himself in a pain-free reality. He sees himself walking, moving, and doing things that he currently is limited by. And then he starts repeating affirmations like, I am pain-free. My body's healthy and strong. By the time he reaches to 0, he visualizes himself waking up in a desired reality where his body feels light, strong, completely free from discomfort. Okay, what about Kai? So if Kai was doing this technique, Kai wants wealth and success. Kai would lie in starfish position and start counting backwards from 100. Each number, he releases any stress or worry with his current finances. Around the midpoint, he starts to visualize a successful life. So he's releasing, 100 releasing, 99 releasing, 73 releasing, 72 releasing, 60. And around the 60 to 50 mark, he starts to imagine himself living in a beautiful home, enjoying his work and feeling proud of his achievements. Or he starts imagining that money is just constantly flowing into his bank account. And then he's going to repeat affirmations like, I am wealthy and successful. I am wealthy and successful. And abundance flows to me effortlessly. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. By the time he reaches to 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, he feels like he's stepping into a desired reality filled with financial stability and success. Then we have Tia, and Tia wants to develop her psychic abilities. So what is she going to do? She's going to lie comfortably in starfish, and she's going to be counting from 100 backwards, right? Letting go of any doubts or fears as she counts down and down and down. 199, down and down and down, until she reaches the halfway mark. About 50, can be a little bit earlier, a little bit later, right? She starts to visualize herself with heightened intuition. So she's noticing, she's visualizing what it would be like to have her intuition activated. And she's feeling connected to her psychic abilities. And she uses affirmations like, I'm deeply intuitive, and I have insight, and I have access to my psychic gifts. By the time she reaches 0, she imagines herself in a desired reality where her intuition flows naturally and she can sense energies and insights easily. All right. Are you getting the idea? Great. So that's the Raven technique, right? We could also call it the starfish technique, right? Because that's what we do. All right. Now let's look at the pillow method. So in the pillow method, what you're doing, again, just to remind you, is to write a short description of your desired reality on a piece of paper, and then you place it under your pillow before you sleep. As you drift off, you're visualizing yourself in your desired reality, and you repeat affirmations. So what would John do? John wants to get rid of his stomach pain, right? So John would write a short script describing his desired reality. I am pain-free, I am healthy, and I can move around freely without limitations. He places this paper under his pillow. And then as he's lying down to go to sleep, he visualizes himself in this new state where he's completely pain-free. He imagines himself jogging, swimming, dancing, moving around happily, laughing, and doing activities that he desires. And then he's repeating the affirmation, I am pain-free and full of energy. I am pain-free and full of energy. I'm pain-free and full of energy. I'm pain-free and full of energy, until he drifts off, allowing his subconscious to reinforce this image. You could also do a recording of your voice repeating this over and over and over, and you can play it as you are falling asleep as well. All right, then there's Kai. Kai wants wealth and success. So what would Kai do? Kai would write on a piece of paper, I am financially free, successful, and secure. Opportunities come to me easily. Yeah. He places it under his pillow and he prepares to sleep. He visualizes himself enjoying a luxurious lifestyle and doing fulfilling work. He's happy. He enjoys the joy of financial freedom and abundance. And he just repeats over and over as he's falling asleep, I'm abundant and successful. 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 And he falls asleep. All right. And that helps to reprogram his subconscious mind. So both the Raven technique and this technique help you to almost hypnotize yourself into your desired state, your desired reality. Okay. So what would Tia do? She wants the psychic abilities. What would she do? Well, she would write, I'm intuitive, I'm connected, and I can access my psychic abilities easily. And then she's going to put that under her pillow. And she's going to settle into sleep, and she's going to visualize herself sensing the energies around her, like she can see energy, she can do all the things that she wants, she's getting insight, she's connected to universal consciousness, right? And then she falls asleep. Okay? And again, remember, you can actually just record yourself doing this over and over and over, and saying the mantras over and over, and then just listen to yourself as you fall asleep. Okay? That can also work, right? So that is the pillow method.